Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Hydel High won their first ISA Girls Championships title, and Kingston College won their 34th boys title after the ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships ended in dramatic fashion on Saturday at the National Stadium. Hydel High became the 13th school to win the girls' title when they dethroned Edwin Allen by a mere 2 points with a total of 279 points.
Edwin Allen's run came to an end after they were disqualified in the girls' 1,600-meter sprint relays after they had won. Yep, that gave Hydel the edge that they were looking for, and they obliged by placing second in the final event. That's the 4x400-meter relays, ironically behind Edwin Allen. Now, Kingston College's win was less dramatic, and they wrapped up the victory hours before the championships ended, tallying 366 points to Jamaica College's 299.
First and foremost, congratulations to the boys.
Yes.
Casey, big up yourself.
Yes. 32nd time?
Big up to all the athletes who performed and competed at boys and girls champs, whether you won your race or you didn't, because it's months and in some cases years of work. You need to put in just
it's years of work,
to compete for your school and representing your school. So be proud of yourself.
Yeah.
Hydel.
Yeah. They
have been slowly moving up the table for the past 5 to 10 years. They have been working. They have been edging.
I want to say congratulations to everybody. I want to say something though, and this is from my heart.
What's that?
You said Malika St. Andrew with no points. Big up to St. Andrew here with your 0 points. We love you anyway.
St. Andrew High School for girls?
Yeah.
But you can't say
it's
that.
Okay. But that's okay, people. No, that's okay.
No,
We're going to go back to the drawing board. Remember St. Andrew's?
Hello. You can't say Andrews.
I got you. St. Andrew.
High School for girls.
St. Andrew High School for girls.
Right.
I got you.
That's what they always say.
That's okay. Next year, we're going to get at least 5 points. Watch the thing. Watch the strips. We're going to go. Big up to Calabar too.
If the winning team got 279 points, you're really aiming for 5?
Listen, they didn't get any this year. So if we get 5 next year, we're good. We're good. Don't listen. I don't know why you're laughing.
Not even at 3rd place.
No, we're not. Listen, we are logical. We're intelligent women, right?
Some races get out 1 point and them.
Yeah, that's okay. You see he's laughing?
So listen. No, because you're happy.
Listen. I'm saying A for attendance.
Because you have some races, right?
Yes.
The winner gets 10 or 12. Second place gets 10. Third place gets 8. And it filters down.
One nigga. Listen. Listen. The point is, nonetheless, I believe in you.
Yeah.
Speaking of believing in, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the 3rd fastest woman of all time.
I'll say second,
has added another title to her vast haul of medals, winning, this is the most important one, her son's sports day race last week. Yes, the multiple Olympic and World Championship gold medalist lined up against other mothers, and surprisingly, we were surprised.
Yeah.
She won by a distance. I was shocked that she won by a distance.
The video footage posted on social media showed a 36-year-old sprinting on the grass track, leading the rest of the competitors in her wake and winning by about 50 meters. Oh, yes. Let's take a look at the video. I loved it.
Listen.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't know why them people bother run. Would I just listen?
Yeah. Good.
I not even not get up. First of all,
every time I watch it.
First of all, Shelly, I am disappointed in you.
Why?
I am disappointed.
Why?
Shelly, no, you know what? I'm disappointed in all the other women that actually got up to go line up next to Shelly.
No.
I saw Basilia Cup do a little thing. So when she said she had warm up, and then she look over there, she see Shelly, and she go, oh, my hamstring. Hamstring. Because I would not be running.
So here what I would do.
Negative.
If I was one of the other parents, and I see
push her
a
down.
world-class sprinter I'm running against, me I run still.
Right.
But me just know seven I get first.
Right.
So a second place where I run.
A second place I run.
Good.
You go on, Shelly. The rest of us. You ready, guys?
Now, if I'm the world-class sprinter,
right.
me and make her understand why me is the world-class sprinter.
I feel like
Shelly go slow.
She did go slow, clearly. But I feel like she shouldn't even run.
When me finish, I'm supposed to reach home and done cook, take a nap, and you still not done.
And them just run, them just across the line.
That decimate. And then is the parents are fucking up.
You're like, ooh, I love it.
But I heard that apparently why she ran that fast was because her husband lost his race and her son came third. So for the family.
Oh, hubby, you let down the team. And Sonny I flopped the jeans. No, Sonny. I love it. I think that was beautiful. I think it's really good. I think it was really good. I love it.
Yeah, so.
Yes.
Off to that something else. No, anyway, we're so far back. Daytime Live, be right back. And we'll be vibing with none other than the legendary Minister Marion Hall.
Aye.